Now, the entry technique, I'm giving you guys this for free. I normally teach this in my course, but I'll give it to you for free. The entry technique is you enter. Yo, welcome again guys to another video. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time for me to post for you guys another video, but I've been busy doing some stuff, and I hope you guys understand that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a very simple forex trading strategy that you can use on a 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. You can even use it on the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, or even monthly charts if you're that patient. And remember guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also share your thoughts down below, because if you do that, the YouTube algorithm will be able to share this video with many other people so that we can all be able to benefit. So without taking any more of your time guys, let's dive right onto the charts so that I can break it down for you how you can trade this strategy with me, and it will really be profitable if you follow all the steps in this video. That's why I emphasize, don't skip the video, watch the video up to the very end, be able to get most value out of it. So let's dive right onto the video without wasting any more of your time. Remember, if you have anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be able to clarify in the next video. Yeah guys, so we are here on the charts. I'm on trading view. So this strategy is very simple. Let me use GBP USD. I'll use GBP USD as an example so that we guys can follow along. So what you want to do, these are my levels on the monthly chart. As you can see here, this is a monthly chart. Yeah, you can see that's a monthly chart. So what I normally want to do is to start from the top, then come down to the entry time frames, which are the intraday time frames, the 1 hour, then 4 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, those lower time frames to look for entries. But I start from the monthly chart to look at the general direction of the market. So here on the monthly chart, as you can see, let's first remove all the drawings so that I can start from scratch. What you want to do is to plot your levels, your key levels, support and resistance. The good old support and resistance that don't fail actually guys. So what you want to do is you want to plot your support and resistance. I taught you guys in a previous strategy on the channel. Probably I'll leave that link of that video in the description down below. You go check it out, how to plot support and resistance correctly. So you go to the rectangle tool. After you've gone the monthly chart, then you look for key areas where the market has reversed in the current price action. You don't have to go all the way to 2009-10. No, just go down here. Okay, you look at this area here. Market went up from there, then reversed, then went back there, and then reversed. So this is a key level. You can just plot rectangle tool just to give perspective on where the market is headed. So this is a double top on a monthly chart, falling down right to the neckline here. So the neckline is also an area of support and resistance. You can see that. So this is support now. Okay, support turned resistance. It was tested as resistance. Now the market is continuing. So GBP USD on the monthly chart, you can see that it's making a continuation. Okay, so after you've done this, you want to look for signs of reversal patterns around this area. So the sign here is a bearish engulfing, which is this one here. Last month was a bearish engulfing candle which engulfed this. So that's why we're seeing a continuation of selling GBP USD. Some of the traders that I have managed accounts for, some of them have been actually wondering, because we've been going in being drawn down for quite some time, and they were wondering why I've been continuously selling GBP USD and some pound pairs. It's because GBP USD is generally moving in a downtrend on a very on the higher time frames, like monthly. So after this, you come down to the weekly chart. Okay, you come back down to the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you can clearly see here, there are rejections here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, producing a shooting star. Okay. So this week is producing a shooting star. If this week closes like this market is going to melt down. So what I want you to do after you've seen this, so our buyers right now, okay, our buyers, okay, our bias is down on the higher time frames. Okay, okay, our bias is down on the higher time frames. Okay, so that's a down bias on the higher time frame. So what we are looking for is a continuation down, okay, to this area here. So our bias is down. Just give me a moment. Our bias is down like this. Okay, so you go down now to you come down to the, depending on whether you want to day trade or you want to scalp. Like if you want to day trade, you come down to the 1 hour chart, knowing that your bias is down. Okay, this is price action with no indicators. Price action with no indicators. So we know that our bias is down. Now on the 1 hour chart, this is where you start to look for entries using trend lines. Okay, you use trend lines. Now you see here the trend was up and it was broken. It was broken around this area here. So this is the place where you would have sold from actually. Okay, you would have sold from here, but it is not too late to sell. It's not too late to sell. Okay, why? Because now the market is creating lower lows, lower highs. Okay, it's creating lower lows and lower highs. Forgive my drawing techniques. Okay, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. We are expecting the market to retrace a bit and then it will make a continuation lower. Okay, so this is the directional bias for GBP USD. Even on the 1 hour chart, after you've made confirmation on the higher time frame, this is what you do. Now the entry technique, I'm giving you guys this for free. I normally teach this in my course, but I'll give it to you for free. The entry technique is you enter from the bearish engulfing candle. You look for where there is a bearish engulfing candle, right? So bearish engulfing candle is like this candle here, this candle here, this candle here, okay? Even this candle here, this candle here. So that's where your entries would be. You look for the bearish engulfing like this one, put your stop loss just above that candle's high, or you can use the monthly level like this. If you want to hold long term, then you can target a 1 to 2 like that. So you target this if you want to hold it longer term. This is what I've been showing some of the guys I'm teaching. This is what I've been showing them. If you want to hold long term, you use the monthly or weekly levels to put your stop loss and then your targets. Okay, but if you want to day trade, like on the 1 hour chart, look for this bearish engulfing. For example, like this engulfing here, you would have taken a trade here. After knowing your bias, your higher time frame bias is down, you take a trade after the close of that bearish engulfing, put your stop loss just above the high of that candle, and then look to target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio like that. Here you would go into profit. Right now you would still be in profit. As you can see, the market is still moving in that direction. So guys, I don't want to make the video too long. I want you guys to go and look at this strategy, practice it. It will help you. You can even come down to the 15 minutes chart. And look for your entries there. If you want to scalp, okay, you can look for your entries here. Look for bearish engulfings here. Like now you could see that there are so many bearish engulfing. Like here, this is a bearish engulfing. You will take a trade here, you just scalp that. Very tight stop loss, target a 1 to 2. This would even help you to pass these FTMO challenges and all that. Okay, so this would be a profitable trade. You look for another bearish engulfing, like this is another bearish engulfing. You take another trade. You're only looking for sells because the higher time frame is telling you to sell. Okay, then here you'd also get a 1 to 2 easily. You see, on the 15 minutes chart, you'll be scalping this all day. Now, this is not how I trade all the time, because I am mostly inclined into longer term trading. But I just wanted to put forward for you guys this simple trading strategy that uses only price action and bullish or bearish engulfing candles for you to make your entries based on higher time frame, confluence, and direction of bias. So guys, I think you have seen the strategy. Hope you've taken away some great knowledge from the strategy. If there's something you need clarification on, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, show me some support. It will encourage me to do more videos for you guys. So without taking any longer, I would like to say guys, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.